Seniors, just one daily habit to restore muscle strength like you're 40 again? Are you tired of feeling weak and losing muscle strength as you age? Are you frustrated with doctors who don't take your concerns seriously or offer solutions? Imagine being able to walk up a flight of stairs without breaking a sweat. Play with your grandchildren without feeling winded. We will also share some additional tips and resources to help you get started on your journey towards better health and mobility. So sit back, relax, and get ready to discover the secret to restoring muscle strength and feeling like you're 40 again, and carry your groceries without feeling like you need to take a nap. It might sound like a dream, but it is possible. Within a few months, he was walking for an hour every day, and his muscle strength and overall health had greatly improved. The one daily habit that helped this patient and many others like him is getting regular sunlight exposure. It's important to note that it's not just about the amount of time you spend outside, but also about the intensity and duration of sun exposure. According to experts, 10 to 30 minutes of moderate sun exposure on most days of the week should be sufficient for most people to maintain healthy vitamin D levels. But it's always best to consult with your healthcare provider to determine your individual needs. It really helps my channel grow and reach more people who need this information. Also, if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel to stay up to date on all my latest health and wellness tips. Sunlight is a natural source of vitamin D, which is essential for maintaining muscle strength and preventing sarcopenia. Protein is essential for building and repairing muscle tissue, and a deficiency can lead to muscle loss and weakness. In addition to drinking fluids, it's also important to limit your intake of sugary drinks, caffeine, and alcohol, as these can contribute to dehydration. Chronic stress can have detrimental effects on both physical and mental well-being, leading to muscle tension, insomnia, and decreased energy levels. These practices can help reduce muscle tension, improve sleep quality, and promote a sense of calm and well-being. Additionally, engaging in hobbies, listening to music, and connecting with loved ones can provide a much-needed distraction from daily stressors and promote emotional well-being. As we age, it's important to find healthy ways to manage stress and promote relaxation. Remember, small changes can make a big difference in your overall health and well-being. Don't wait any longer to start taking control of your health. And remember, you are just one habit away from a better, healthier you. Try these habits today and see the difference they make in your life. By staying hydrated, you'll be supporting your body's natural detoxification processes, improving digestion, and maintaining healthy skin. You can obtain calcium from dairy products, leafy greens, and fortified foods, while vitamin D can be found in fatty fish, egg yolks, and certain types of mushrooms. Dehydration can lead to fatigue, weakness, and decreased physical performance. As we age, it's important to drink plenty of water throughout the day to keep our bodies functioning optimally. While the amount of water you need may vary depending on your individual circumstances, a general guideline is to aim for 8 glasses of water per day. Remember that it's important to choose nutrient-dense foods over processed options to maintain overall health and well-being. As we age, our bodies require more protein to maintain muscle mass. Therefore, it's important to include plenty of protein-rich foods in your daily diet. Some excellent sources of protein include lean meats, poultry, fish, beans, lentils, tofu, and Greek yogurt. When your skin is exposed to sunlight, it produces vitamin D, which helps regulate calcium levels in the body, supports muscle function, and strengthens bones. But there are still ways to stay connected even from home. Regular phone calls or video chats with loved ones can make a big difference. Additionally, joining online communities or groups focused on your interests or health conditions can provide a sense of belonging and access to valuable resources and support. Studies have shown that people with low vitamin D levels are more likely to experience muscle loss and weakness as they age. This experience taught me the importance of daily habits and overall health and well-being. Also inspired me to help others make positive changes in their lives. A few years ago, I met a patient who was in his early 60s and came to me complaining of weakness and fatigue. Studies have shown that people with strong social connections have better overall health and well-being, including better muscle strength and mobility. It's important to stay connected with friends and family, engage in community activities, and seek support when needed. I had tried everything from supplements to medications, but nothing seemed to work. After examining him, I discovered that he was suffering from a condition called sarcopenia, which is the loss of muscle mass and strength that occurs with aging. But I knew there had to be something more to the story. I understand your pain points because I see it every day in my clinic. People assume that losing muscle strength and feeling tired is just part of getting older. But what if I told you that it doesn't have to be this way? As a doctor, I have spent years researching and treating patients like you, and I have discovered a simple daily habit that can help restore muscle strength and make you feel like you are 40 again. In today's video, we will dive deep into this one daily habit and explore how it can transform your body and your life. But before we dive in, let me tell you a story. I asked him about his daily habits and lifestyle, and that's when I learned that he was spending most of his time sitting in his chair watching TV. I recommended that he start getting up and moving around more. But he argued that it was too much effort and he was too tired to do anything. I insisted, though, and told him that it was the only way he would improve. And against his better judgment, he decided to give it a try. At first, he could only manage a few minutes of walking each day, but slowly, he started to feel better and had more energy. Now let's get back to our topic at hand. However, getting enough sunlight can be challenging, especially if you live in a cold climate or have a busy indoor lifestyle. Another daily habit that can make a significant difference is staying socially connected. Social isolation and loneliness can contribute to muscle loss and weakness. I know it's not easy, especially if you're dealing with mobility issues that make it difficult to get out and socialize. If you're finding this information helpful, please do me a favor and hit that like button. Eating a balanced diet that includes plenty of protein can also help maintain muscle strength and prevent sarcopenia. It's also crucial to ensure that you're getting enough of other essential nutrients, such as calcium and vitamin D, which are important for bone health and muscle function. Staying hydrated is another vital daily habit that can impact muscle strength and overall health. You can also stay hydrated by consuming fruits and vegetables with high water content, such as watermelon, cucumbers, and spinach. Finally, let's discuss the importance of stress management in maintaining muscle strength and overall health. Some effective methods include deep breathing exercises, meditation, yoga, and spending time in nature. If you're looking for more tips on managing stress and improving your overall health and well-being, check out my other videos on stress reduction techniques and healthy lifestyle habits. By incorporating these daily habits into your routine, you can improve your muscle strength, boost your energy levels, and enhance your quality of life. Thank you for watching today's video. If you found it helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe.